Hi, my name is Jenelle, and I am doing zooarchaeology. What is zooarchaeology? It is the study of animal remains discovered in the archaeological sites, such as bones, teeth, and shells. It focuses on the impact of human-animal relationships on human civilizations, the environment, and the animals themselves. The explanation for it is that zooarchaeologists investigate the genetic and morphological development of domestic animals. Why did I choose this topic? I chose this topic because I've always had an interest in animals. To be able to study the animals that have roamed on our world many years ago is incredible, and something as small as bone or shell can tell you a huge story, and I've always been really interested in listening to stories like that. The first example of this would be if zoo archaeologists find a cave that is over 200 years old. They decide to go in and explore it because they know that the area is known for um, really great past history and really great findings. So they go in and they uncover ancient bat bones and figures. They obviously want to preserve and clean this up so they can do as many studies on them as they can. Another example is if they are digging or mining at a site and they run into many bones to different animals, or even just bones to the same animal. This might occur because the animal might have gotten stuck, fell, got injured, or simply have just died with natural causes in that area. And over time, the animal just starts to become bone, and dirt, rocks, minerals, soil will start to pile up on top of the bones. So therefore, making it that when they find it, the bones are super deep into the ground and it's just bone. Someone who made an impact on zooarchaeology is Lewis R. Binford. Binford's contribution to zooarchaeology is innovative to that it's changed how we investigate and analyze fossil remains, and therefore what we think we know about the behavior of our early animals. In addition to his economic models, Binford's papers contain a lot of real-world data, especially from his time and his research. Dr. Paul Parmalee is also someone who is really important. He was one of the founders of this type of research from the 1950s. He examined animal bones from Rondout Country, Illinois, and he actually was the one who built the best comparative skeleton collection in the Midwest to help him identify bones and shells from other parts of the country and other parts of the regions. And that is what this is. So the comparative vertebrate collection. So this collection is just essentially a huge collection of skeletons from modern recent descended known animals, which are just animals that we have studied, found, explored, and we just know about these animals and their body. And so we use their body and their bones to identify the unknown fragments that we have just recently found. Because when you recently find something, you obviously don't know right away what kind of animal it is or what it is in general. So you have to find what it is by getting bones that we already know about from animals and comparing them to the ones we just found. And that's what this collection is for. So therefore, the future of zooarchaeology, in the future, zooarchaeologists will need to rethink their data, promote the exchange of mutually relevant data sets, and seek worldwide access. If these conditions are met, the field will thrive in the many years to come and beyond, especially for the zooarchaeologist. And that is it. Thank you.